SG0 for strain gauge bridge configuration methods. From the front, ports left to right, channel 1 to 4. The 4 channels operate independently. Each channel has 4 lead terminals, defined as A, B, C, D respectively. The SG04 works based on the Wheatstone bridge principle. Hence, strain gauges have 3 connection modes in the bridge circuit. They are quarter bridge, half bridge, and full bridge, with specific wiring shown below. These are strain gauges already bonded in place. This is quarter bridge wiring, with 1 strain gauge, bonded to the specimen front. Now connect it to channel 1 to demonstrate the wiring method. Press with a screwdriver, connect the 2 leads to C and D respectively. Enter channel 1 and set the corresponding strain gauge parameters. Set the bridge configuration to quarter bridge. This is the half bridge connection. Bond 2 strain gauges on the specimen's front and back. 1 lead of each strain gauge is series connected to terminal C. The remaining 2 leads, 1 connects to terminal A. The other goes to terminal D. Enter channel 2 and set strain gauge parameters. Set the bridge configuration to half bridge. This is full bridge wiring. 2 strain gauges on front and reverse sides. 4 strain gauges in a loop form a full bridge with excitation and signal on opposite diagonals. Let front strain gauges be 1 and 2, rear ones be 3 and 4. 1 lead each from strain gauges 1 and 3 is joined to terminal A. 1 lead each from strain gauges 3 and 4 is joined to terminal B. 1 lead each from strain gauges 1 and 2 is joined to terminal C. 1 lead each from strain gauges 2 and 4 is joined to terminal D. Enter channel 3 and set the strain gauge parameters. And set the bridge configuration to full bridge. Full bridge is commonly used for this type of load cell. Wire according to the pin definition of the sensor used. Therefore, connect the red wire to terminal A and the green wire to terminal B. Connect the white wire to terminal C and the black wire to terminal D. Set channel 4 to load cell mode in mode selection. Set the corresponding sensor parameters in channel 4. Set its bridge configuration to full bridge.